Hello viewers, welcome to my channel TC Geo Kimberlite, a source of diamonds. In this video, we are discussing an important scholarship sponsored by Credit Suisse. A Credit Suisse scholarship for the year 2021 to year 2022 for engineering course. A Credit Suisse scholarship 2021 to 2022 for engineering course. I am Dr. Sajid Hundekar, Associate Professor in Head, Department of Geology, AKI, Pune College of Arts, Science and Commerce, Camp Pune, Maharashtra, India. Credit Suisse, this is a very important company is there, and he is giving the scholarship for engineering as well as MBA. We are taking these two branches separate, engineering as well as MBA, so that those who are should not be confused which they are going to apply and what documents are required. So today in this video, Credit Suisse scholarship for the year 2021. So here the Credit Suisse scholarship for engineering program we are taking. Now the Credit Suisse is a important company of India who is giving the credit rating for the various financial companies, and the main motive of this company is to promote uh, the quality of education, make affordable the support which is given for the student. They can with this support they can complete their dream or education. Now about this program, Credit Suisse has partnered with Buddy for Study. The scholarship portal is there, and with this they have been partnered to provide a financial support for the meritorious students to pursue their higher education, especially engineering branch. Now these students who are pursuing engineering as well as MBA, there will be the scholarship has been sponsored by this Credit Suisse. But now in this video, we'll just focus it out on engineering branch. Now for this, the selected scholarship is that they have to scholarship is given up to 80% of their total fees. Yes, that is a very huge amount is there. 80% of their total fees or a fixed lump sum up to a rupees of 2 lakh rupees. So that is a very important one. So I request all the viewers, subscribers, as well as the NGOs try to spread the message into this society that this is a excellent scholarship is there for those students who are doing the engineering as well as the MBA course. Credit Suisse is a leading global wealth manager with a strong investment banking capabilities. So everyone should know what is that company is there and what exactly is doing. The Credit Suisse scholarship is a part of bank's corporate social responsibility initiatives. Deadline is 10th May 2021. Remember, the deadline which is given for this scholarship is 10th May 2021. What is the eligibility? The applicant may be enrolled for 4 years integrated UG engineering program at the selected institutions. Here, the Credit Suisse has selected some of the engineering colleges from India, and only from these engineering colleges the student can apply or they are eligible to apply for the scholarship. The first one from Pune is a College of Engineering Pune, that is COEP Pune. Then the second one, Sardar Patel Institute of Technology, that is from Mumbai. Then Vishwakarma Institute of Technology Pune, and it is very famous, will be called as VIT Institute, VIT Pune. And then Army Institute of Technology Pune. So here the three engineering colleges are from Pune and one is from the Bombay, Sardar Patel Institute. So these are the four engineering colleges students are recognized for this scholarship. The applicant must be passed 12th examination at least with 60% and above marks. The applicant's annual income should be less than or equal to 5 lakh rupees. And benefit is very important, 80% of the total fees are Indian rupees 1 lakh rupees. Then the document which is required for this particular scholarship is photo ID proof is required in the form Aadhaar card, passport size photograph. These are all digitals. They have to upload this on the portal online. income proof, that is in the form of Form 16A, or income certificate issued from the government authorities, or a salary slips. Proof of admission, in which college he has taken the admission, or university I-card or college I-card, or a bona fide certificate where he has taken the admission. Current academic year fee receipt, the bank account details about the scholarship applicants, cancelled check or passbook copy, front page as well as last page which is there, then the mark sheet or grade card of the class 12th examination he has passed out, and all these documents in a high resolution they have to scan and upload on the online. How to apply? He has to apply from the Buddy for Study scholarship portal, where he has to register on this portal, and from there online application form will is there, he has to be applied. So register at the Buddy for Study with the help of email ID, mobile, Facebook or Gmail account, and from there he has to be start making the application for the various scholarship, not only this scholarship, for all the scholarship we can apply for this. The terms and conditions they have to read properly, thoroughly, and all the applications which are there, they have to be seen, whatever the details they have been filled, and after that they have been put, they enter all this documents. They are, once they are uploaded, they have to be make the enter, the final entry has to be done. So the last date for this scholarship is 10 May 2021. Four important colleges are there from Maharashtra itself. One is the VIT Institute, that is Vishwakarma Institute of Technology, VIIT Pune. Then College of Engineering Pune, that is COEP Pune. Then the third one, the Army Institute of Technology Pune, that is AIT. And the fourth one, Sardar Patel Engineering College from the Bombay. So these are the four colleges students are eligible for this scholarship. I request all the viewers, subscribers, aware this scholarship to the maximum student. These are the awareness has to be created. So this video intention is to make the awareness among the student community. The parents also not aware. So parents, students can aware about this scholarship, and may in today you may eligible, you can apply, or your friends are there in your family, close circle, or in your group, anyone is there, you can help them by just sharing this video link or share the video. Thank you. Have a nice day.